Hey guys, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 19 Wednesday for Prop and Stats Semester 2. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following questions. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at today's stuff. So from Tuesday, I already told you guys about the funnel project. So I will recommend that you guys go ahead and click on this link or maybe type it in or use this QR code and then find your name for 5th or 6th period and then tell me which project you're doing for the famous mathematician project or the math career project, and then what platform is your project going to be on, whether it's a YouTube video, PowerPoint, Prezi, or document. It must be an electronic link though. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to question number 11. So for question number 11, it's asking to construct a table for digits based on 3. And given the fact it's a base of 3, you know you have to start with 0, 1, 2. And then over here, it is going to be a 0, 1, 2. You know that 0 times 0 is just going to be 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So really, the only math you have to do is this one here. So for a base of 2, base 2 times a 2, or base 3, just kidding, not 2. 2 times 2 is a 4, base 10, okay? So then you need to ask yourself, a base of 3 goes in the 4 how many times? 1 times. But then what's left over? 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is just the 1. So this will be 1, 1, 3. This is how you construct a multiplication table for a base of 3. Now what I want you guys to do is, on a separate piece of paper, you're going to be creating a base of 6, a base of 7, 9, 10, or 11 or more. The following points are followed as with you. So if you're going to create a base of 9, just keep in mind that your table, you're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing over here. Okay, next one to do is we're going to go ahead and continue with our guided notes when it comes to multiplying. So here I have 32 base of 8 times 5 base of 8. So let's just start over here. 2 times 5 is going to give you a 10 base of 10. So I'm going to have to go ahead and break that down to a base of 8 times 1 is an 8, which leaves me with a 2. So my answer here is 1, 2 base of 8. So put down the 2, carry the 1. Then you're going to go ahead and look at these numbers right here. So 3 times 5 is a 15, plus the 1 right there is a 16 base of 10. So then you're going to ask yourself, using a base of 8, 8 goes into 16 how many times? 2. And guess what? There's nothing left over. So my answer here is 2, 0 base of 10, or base of 8. And this is your answer. All right, go ahead and try example 13 on your own. Pause the video. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next one is going to be on base of division. With division, you have 43 divided by 7, and they're all bases of 8, okay? So then using the table that we had from last class that you guys created, which I'm going to pull that up right now so that you guys have that from Tuesday. Okay, so this is your base. Here's your table. Okay, so when I go ahead and divide this, I'm going to ask myself, okay, well, 7 times what gives me 43. You want to find the number that's closest to it. So in this situation, it's going to be a base of 7 and a base of 5. Well, 7's already here, so it has to be 5. Subtract it, you get a 0. So your answer is just 5 base 8. Take a look at number 15. This is for a base of 3, which we actually just made. So I'm going to go back to this table right here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and paste it over so that we have this available to use. So we created this table, and this table is going to help us out for the question. Okay, so question number 15. 11, base of 3 divided by 2 base of 3. Well, looking at here, there's 11. That's a 2 and a 2. So your answer is just 2 base 3 because 11 subtracts and gets you 0. All right, you guys, well, that's basically it for that. So now what I want you guys to do is take this interest survey. So read this from 1 to 8, make a check mark on all of these things, and then put the total check mark on the bottom. Do the same thing for 9 to 16. And then at the very end, I want you guys to tell me which one are your toppest check marked boxes, and then tell me your top 3 interest areas. On the right side is the rubric for your project. You can either pick project 2 or project 3, and then insert your response here. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time.